I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to enhance your WooCommerce security settings, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to your WordPress admin area by entering your credentials. This is where you'll manage all your WooCommerce settings. Step 2. Go to WooCommerce settings. In the left sidebar, find the WooCommerce tab and click on it. Then select Settings to access various configuration options for your store. Step 3. Navigate to the Accounts and Privacy tab. Once in the settings, click on the Accounts and Privacy tab. Here, you can adjust settings related to customer accounts and privacy. Step 4. Adjust security settings. Before changing your settings, use the #com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Save changes. After making your adjustments, scroll down and click the Save Changes button. This ensures that all your new security settings are applied. By following these steps, you can effectively enhance the security of your WooCommerce store. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.